How to build your Hood Scouts Clue Hunt book. Start off by opening your PDF, going to print. First you want to make sure you have the correct printer selected. You're going to print all pages, actual size, and then select print on both sides of paper. You want to make sure that it's flip on short edge, and you're going to be in landscape mode. Then you can go to your page setup, select A4, make sure it's landscape mode, and you have the correct printer selected there as well, and printing at 100%. And then click print. The document is set up with the pages aligned in the middle. Now that you have your pages printed, you want to make sure that they're lined up and centered on each page. You'll see the fold line and the cut line. You can cut your pages in a variety of ways. Here, I'm choosing an X-Acto and a straight edge. If you don't have an X-Acto and a straight edge, you can certainly use scissors. Once you have all your pages cut, you want to make sure that they're in the correct order. An easy way to check is that the final spread, or the inside spread, will be clue number 7, depending on what book you purchased. Then you can go through the pages counting backwards, clues 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then the beginning pages. Okay, you're all set. Here I'm just using an old cover that I had. You can print the one in the PDF or get creative and create your own. Put your clips on the left and right hand side to make sure that your pages don't shift. Then find an object that you can place your book on that'll allow you to punch through the holes. In this case, I'm using a foam block. Then take a needle or a punch and punch through the 5 holes. Okay, now we're going to sew it together. In this case, I'm using normal sewing thread. I like to use about 50 centimeters or so. Optionally, you can use thread specifically designed for bookbinding, but regular thread works just as well. You're going to start with the middle hole, threading from the inside of the book to the outside. Make sure you leave about 3 inches worth of thread on the inside. Now you'll thread from the outside of the book through to the inside, using the hole just above the center hole. Then you'll sew through the top hole from the inside to the outside, and back through the hole beneath it. Then you'll go back through the center hole, from the outside to the inside, then through the bottom hole, and then back out through the very bottom hole. Then you go back through and back out the center hole. Here you loop the thread around and tie a simple knot. Then back through the center hole to the inside. Make sure everything's taut. Trim your thread, then take the two ends and tie a square knot. Left over right, right over left. And trim your ends. Now fold the book in half. Press it flat and you're done. You can also stack a couple books on top of it and leave it for a few days to flatten it out even more. Double check that everything's in order and you're all set. Have fun and be safe. We hope you enjoy discovering a new hood.